everyone, welcome back to the series of group number 2 videos, and today we are going to discuss how the group 2 hydroxide, for example magnesium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, barium hydroxide, is going to react. So, as you know that these hydroxides are alkali, so the very common reaction is with acid. That is the neutralization reaction, which actually is going to form water and salt. So we are going to learn that. So first thing is when they react with dilute acids. Simple. Whether it's hydrochloric acid, whether it's sulfuric acid. So it is going to form a solution of metal chlorides because HCl, they form chlorides. All chlorides are soluble. You need to remember this rule. So first of all, we write a general equation, that is a hydroxide, metal hydroxide, which would be solid. It reacts with the hydrochloric acid, which would be aqueous. It gives a metal salt, so that would be aqueous as well because these are soluble, along with water, which would be written as liquid. Let's just balance it now. It would be like 2 here and a 2 here. So it's balanced. This is the general equation, and now we can take any element, replace this m with that element, and our equation would be complete. For example, we write calcium hydroxide with like solid state with 2 HCl, which is aqueous. Sorry, made a mistake here. There won't be any bracket here. So it's HCl, so it will be aqueous. It gives calcium chloride, which would be aqueous as all chlorides soluble, and then we have water, which would be a liquid one, and this is balanced. Now we'll take strontium hydroxide, similar. You just need to remember the general equation, and nobody is going to like make it incorrect. Your concept should be really clear, and moreover the practice is needed. If you're not going to practices, you are not going to like it isn't possible that you can remember each and every reaction, because writing makes it really easy to remember. Once you write with your own hands, it's easy to remember. Really, trust me. Practice it, and you're going to ace it. Now, when they react with sulfuric acid, the sulfates are insoluble. Only magnesium is going to be soluble. Others are going to be solids because those are insoluble. So let's write the reaction. First, we're going to write the general equation. The metal hydroxide reacts with acid, that is H2SO4, makes a salt, metal sulfate, along with water. Okay, let's just balance it. It's already balanced. No, it's a 2 over here. Okay, so this magnesium hydroxide is solid. This sulfuric acid is aqueous. The sulfate, it depends upon the solubility, and this water is liquid. Simple. Now we'll don't take the example of calcium and strontium over here. We are going to take example of magnesium and barium over here. Now magnesium hydroxide along with reacts with sulfuric acid, makes magnesium sulfate, would be aqueous, along with water, which is liquid. Like same would be like for barium, only a state symbol would be different. Barium hydroxide along with sulfuric acid, which is aqueous, gives barium sulfate, which is aqueous. Sorry, it's a 4, plus water, which is like liquid. Simple. Just keep in mind, you need to remember, you need to memorize the general equation, or just learn the basic concept like how they are going to react, and it's easy to remember. So we have discussed the acids as well, that how they're going to react, how they're going to ionize, and definitely the negative one is going to be attracted towards the positive one, and positive one is going to react to be attracted towards the negative one. So practice it, and see you in the next video.